Can you hear me, beta? Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me, beta? Tell me in your chat box. Tell me in your chat box, beta. Okay. Thank you so much. My voice is clear. Can you see my screen? Okay. Okay. Okay, beta. So, how are you all today? Hope you all will be fine, mashallah. And this is our lecture number 2, and the chapter name is, as you know, ideological basis of Pakistan. So if my voice is not clear, then you can tell me, um, and screen is clear, please tell me. So beta, this is our lecture number 2. My name is Sadia Kuram, and you know that we are going to study the first chapter of our PhD book, Ideological Basis of Pakistan. Is it clear? So open your books, and first of all I will give you a short review of our previous lectures, because there was some technical issue in our last class, so that's why I'm not satisfied to about that lecture. So I want to tell you something, some type of review about the ideology and the sources of ideology. Okay. And a very important thing is that you have to take your copy 1 with you. And yes, Sharos, and you have to take with your pouches. That's why I'm going to start today. Okay, Sharos, very good. I'm going to start today to dictate you the short questions. ठीक है? आपको शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस डिक्टेट करवाऊंगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल गिव यू द रिव्यू ऑफ द प्रीवियस लेक्चर, देन आई विल give you some explanation of today's lecture, and then in the last 15 minutes we have to do 2 short questions in the class. Is it clear? After the lecture I will upload the home assignment as well. Is it clear? I will upload the home assignment, and that will be the long question number 1. Is it clear? We will do short questions in our class, and I will upload the long question as your home assignment right after the lecture. So in my home assignment, which I will upload, in that home assignment, I have shown you the all about your chapter name, your indices, how to maintain your indices, and then I also mentioned in the
Excuse me, miss.
assignment the subtitle of your chapter. Is it clear? So you have to prepare your indices same like that as I have shown you in the home assignment. So आप अपनी जो indices है उसको बाद में भी ready कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? अब वैसे तो आप used to हैं, तो आप अभी भी कर सकते हैं, but I have told you all about the total questions, number of questions in that assignment, and also I have told you the short questions, about the short questions, and I have also shown you the index. Is it clear? The proper index of today's work, so you can see properly after your lecture through your home assignment all these things. Is it clear? Okay, open your book, page number 5. Open your book, page number 5, and turn off your mics, all of you, and turn on your cameras. Take your pencils in your hands. You have to underline the, yes, Sharoz, I can see. Be ready for your written work as well. And now I'm going to give you a short review of your previous lecture. And first of all, I want to see the names of the students who are present in the class. Beta Nuseba, turn off your mic. Nuseba, beta, turn off your mic. Okay, very good. Most of the students are present in the class, and beta, all of you turn on your cameras like Anamta, Arsalan, Asia, and Huzez. Huzez, have you not your camera at that time? Muhammad Talha. Okay. Muhammad Ali, beta, turn on your camera. Adan, turn on your camera, beta, and turn off your mics. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Let's start. Okay, look at your book, beta. In our previous lecture, I have told you about the two components of ideology. So, the word ideology is French in its origin, and it is made up of two components. It means idea and logic. लॉजिक का मतलब क्या होता है? इट मीन्स लॉजिक, ऐसा आइडिया जिसकी कोई लॉजिक हो. बेटा, be focused towards your lecture. This is not your सेवेंथ और सेवेंथ क्लास लाइक कि आपके बहुत छोटे से क्वेश्चंस होंगे. यू हैव वेरी लॉन्ग डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चंस, सो बी फोकस्ड and there should be and there must be might be possible there will be most of the short questions are present in your first page, second page. So you have to do the MCQs in your in your exams. So all the MCQs and most of the MCQs are present in your first 2 3 pages of this chapter. So be focused now. Your questions are long. Your long questions are very very lengthy. You have to do your complete work within time, otherwise you will not follow the all the questions. So I want to tell you something about your descriptive questions. You have 5 descriptive questions of this chapter and 12 short questions. Is it clear? So you have to do all these things in your copy very neatly. So I'm going to tell you about the word ideology. So the word ideology is a French in region, and it is made of two components like idea and logic. You know that any idea or can achieve a very big goals. Like for example, कैन यू गिव मी एनी एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एनी आइडिया जिसे आप उर्दू में तसव्वुर कहते हैं? तो ऐसा कोई तसव्वुर, ऐसा कोई कॉन्सेप्ट जिसकी बेसिस पर नेशंस ने कुछ गेन किया हो, कुछ अचीव किया हो. गिव मी some examples. If you can give me any example, please raise your hands. Yes, only Shahroz is going to raise. Okay, Sumaya and Shahroz. Okay, Sumaya, tell me. Unmute yourself. Yes,
Pakistan. Miss.
Sumaya. I can't listen you.
Miss Pakistan. Miss, can
Okay,
you hear me?
Shahroz.
Miss, can you hear
Yes,
me?
miss. Yes, miss.
Tell me. Shahroz, tell me.
Miss, there were many
No,
reasons
I
behind the grade.
can't listen you, beta.
There were many reasons behind creating Pakistan, such as Muslims.
Okay, write down in your chat box because we have not much time to waste. So please write down in the chat box, beta. Write down in your chat box. Yes, yes, Sumaya, very good. Yes, Subhana, idea of Pakistan. So that idea, very good. That idea was based on, actually, the struggle of Pakistan was based on an idea. Is it clear? Yes, idea of Pakistan. Okay, okay, well done. Very good, Mohammed. कौन था भाई? Okay, very good, Sumaya. And after that, Subhana and Sharoz, Abdullah bin Ishtiaq. Yes, beta, very good. All of you, well done. All of you. Beta, try to purchase your book, Abdullah, as soon as possible. Till then, you have to manage your lecture from through these lectures. आप इसके जरिए मैनेज कर सकते हैं बेटा सब कुछ जो भी आपकी बुक में है ना दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन योर स्लाइड्स you can listen and see after the lecture these slides your previous my previous lecture you can get my previous lecture from your classroom and all the questions are there and जो आपका पहला क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वो पूरा ही ये है जो हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में और आज के लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे so don't you worry everything is present in your class and in your assignment so help from your from my lecture
हेलो टीचर
and your
कहती है
assignment
टीचर ने बोला कोई
and
ऐसा
try to
आइडिया बताया
purchase
आप
your
लोग
book as soon as
ऐसा
possible.
आइडिया बताया
Okay.
जिस जो आगे जाके
So,
बहुत अच्छा हो मेरे दिमाग में थोड़ा
very
आइडिया
good,
पास आ रहा है
all of you.
मैंने लिखा टीचर
So,
ने
what
वेरी
are
गुड बोला
the main sources of ideology?
बहुत
What are the
पानी
main
की बोतल
sources of Islamic ideology? You can say, what are the
Miss,
main sources of Islamic ideology?
Quran, Sunnah,
Tell me in
and
your chat box.
tradition and
I
culture.
have told you in the previous lecture, what are the basic sources of? Zohaib, can you tell me?
Miss, Miss Quran and Sunnah.
Beta, your voices are not coming. I don't know what is the problem. You can
I
write
tell,
down in your chat box.
इसमें I tell, Quran and Sunnah.
आपकी साइड से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कुछ प्रॉब्लम टेक्निकल इशू है यू कैन राइट डाउन इन योर चैट बॉक्स ओके वेल डन Zohaib वेल डन Ramla very good all of you very good Aisha Sharoz Quran and Sunnah Sharoz first of all Quran and Sunnah very good Iman Rashid well done Sumaya okay it means you have understood very well the previous lecture okay Hania thank you so much okay let's start today's lecture so today we are going to study the significance of ideology यानी आइडियोलॉजी के क्या सिग्निफिकेंसेस हैं और आइडियोलॉजी किस तरह से इफेक्ट करती है रिफ्लेक्ट करती है डिफरेंट नेशंस को इज इट क्लियर so there are some significances of ideology is it clear look at your books these are the main points of that topic which is present in your book on page number 6 so look at your books very carefully and you can underline the important points which I have mentioned in the which I have mentioned in my this slide so look at the slide as well and take your pencils and underline the important points so first significance of ideology is it reflects the ideas of people is it clear so ideology basically मैंने आपको बताया एक तस्वुर है एक कॉन्सेप्ट है which was based on the struggle of any nation about to achieve any object कोई भी कौम, कोई भी लोगों का ग्रुप अगर कोई अपना गोल अचीव करना चाहता है तो उसके लिए उसे एक आइडियोलॉजी को पहले सोचना होगा, उसे एक तस्वुर को, एक कॉन्सेप्ट सबसे पहले उनके जहन में आएगा. एज यू नो, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान केम इनटू द माइंड ऑफ अल्लामा इकबाल. Is it clear? He told to everyone, he told the politicians of that time, he told the leaders of that time, and they started the struggle about that ideology and get and achieved our country Pakistan. Is it clear? So idea से निकला है ये word. So that means ideology. When we want to do anything, when we want to get any type of goal, first of all we think about an idea, and that is actually the idea, or the and that idea will become the ideology of ourself, and then about that idea or ideology we can achieve our goals. Is it clear? So the idea reflects the ideology reflects the ideas of people and determines their way of living, thinking, and social interaction. Social Mir Arham beta, don't do this. In previous class I gave you the warning. In this class I'm going to tell you that in the next time I will expel you from the class. But this is not your 7th class, this is your 8th class, and this book and all these questions are the board questions. It means you have to take the exams of board in the next 2 years, and these books are related to your board classes. Be focused, beta. अब ये कोई मजाक नहीं है कि आप इस तरह की हरकतें करेंगे. Okay. So I'm telling you that it reflects the ideas of the people, their way of living, their way of interaction, their values, their social values. Is it clear? जब एक तरह की सोच रखने वाले लोग एक साथ मिल जाते हैं तभी वो उस आइडिया को अचीव कर सकते हैं. So you all know very well that the idea of Pakistan was achieved by all the leaders, by all the peoples, because they thought the same idea to get the separate country, separate homeland. तो उन सब का idea एक था, target एक था. That's why they achieved our country. Is it clear? So same idea, same values, same thoughts रखने वाले लोग ही एक idea को follow कर सकते हैं.
ideology
It
of
helps people to unite on one platform. Is it clear? So every example is being linked with the concept of ideology of Pakistan. Basically, we are also studying the ideology of Pakistan. So I will always give you the example of the struggle of Pakistan. So it helps the people to unite on one platform. और तमाम लोग किस platform पर जमा हुए थे? For achieving the separate homeland. When the idea was same, when the thoughts are same, when the way of living same, values are same, then they can get anything. And it helps, ideology helps the people to unite on one platform, and affords a source of manifestation of the national strength. What is the meaning of manifestation? There are two questions from my side. What was that platform through which the leaders of our freedom fighters, or you can say the leaders of our country, achieved their idea of Pakistan? What was the platform? What was that platform, and what is the meaning of manifesto? Yes, beta. Yes, Talha. All your books of 8th class are related to 9th, 10th. Yes, well done, Aisha. All India Muslim League was that platform through which all the leaders, all the freedom fighters achieved their country. Very good, Hania. Very good. So that platform was the Muslim League, All India Muslim League. But this is we are not going to talk the specific platform. Just I'm just going to tell you the some examples of freedom fighting and about that times leaders. But this is overall. The significance of ideology. Any nation can get these points, and any nation can get their any type of objective which are based on an ideology. Is it clear? So turn on your cameras, beta. I can't see you anymore. Haris Mehboob, beta, Abdullah bin Ishtiyaq, turn on your cameras. Okay. मैनिफेस्टेशन और मैनिफेस्टो मीन्स व्हाट इज द मैनिफेस्टेशन, यानी कोई भी कौम जो है वो आइडियोलॉजी पर जब बेस करती है तो उसके साथ साथ उनका एक मैनिफेस्टो होता है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मैनिफेस्टो? मकसद. यस हानिया. इट मीन्स द some type of rules, some type of rules. मकसद तो आइडियोलॉजी में आ जाता है ना हानिया. Ideology means reason, concept, idea. Then manifesto means any nation who wanted who or who will want to achieve any type of their object. So they first of all they thought or they will think the idea, an idea, and after that they will make the rules, some type of rules. Is it clear? So manifesto or manifestation means the rules which will be made by nation, by any group, by ourselves, if we want to get any type of objective. Is it clear? अगर हमें कोई भी ऑब्जेक्टिव हासिल करना है, कोई भी मकसद लेना है, तो सबसे पहले हम उसके बारे में आइडिया सोचेंगे, फिर हम कुछ रूल्स बनाएंगे जिनको फॉलो करके हम फिर उस आइडिया को अचीव कर सकेंगे. Is it clear? So let's see the next point. It is a motivating force of deeds and actions. Is it clear? When we can get an idea, we will rules, all these things. This idea will motivate us to do anything or to do any action. People may willingly sacrifice and anything for a certain cause under the influence of an ideology. You can see that in the past, when people wanted to get their separate homelands, especially Muslims, so they sacrificed their homes, they sacrificed their lives, they sacrificed their properties, businesses, their jobs to get their न्यू कंट्री. इज इट क्लियर? और यहाँ आकर वो खैमों में रह रहे थे, यहाँ आकर वो होमलेस थे, जॉबलेस थे, बट दे हैड देयर आइडिया फॉर सेपरेट होमलैंड. दैट्स व्हाई they sacrificed all their properties, businesses, homes, and they achieved their new country. Is it clear? So how powerful is an idea? Is it clear? If we will stick on our ideology, our idea, we can get any type of objective. Is it clear? Sumaya, you can hear me? Okay. Next point is okay, it is the source of struggle for achieve our divine objective and serves as a motivational force for the progress and prosperity of a society under a recognized and truthful leadership. So like Qaid-e-Azam and like Allama Iqbal and many other Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Muhammad Ali Shaukat type leaders, if they can get that idea एंड इस तरह के लीडर्स अगर मिल जाएं तो कोई भी डिवाइन ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है उसको अचीव करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. दैट्स व्हाई all that leaders achieved their country because they were stick on the specific ideology to get a separate homeland for the Muslims. So last one is ideology provides an insight in making the choice of leaders. सो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात यह है कि इस आइडियोलॉजी को आगे परफॉर्म करने के लिए, ले जाने के लिए लीडर्स भी वैसे ही होने चाहिए, who will be determined towards their ideology, like Qaid Azam, like Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, like Maulana Muhammad Ali, like Maulana Shaukat Ali, and Qaid Azam Allama Iqbal, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. There are so many leaders who were indulged in taking and who were indulged in getting the idea of separate homeland. So it helps to preserve the freedom, culture, and tradition. When a nation will get any objective, then this ideology also must be and will be help to preserve their freedom, culture and tradition as well. Because एक तरह की आइडियोलॉजी वाले लोग जब एक जगह जमा हो जाते हैं तो फिर वो आइंदा भी अपना ऑब्जेक्टिव, अपना गोल अचीव करने के बाद भी अपनी आज़ादी को प्रिजर्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं, अपने कल्चर और अपनी ट्रेडिशन को प्रिजर्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. एंड दे विल नॉट वांट इन एनी केस दैट कि कोई भी उनकी इस आइडियोलॉजी को स्नैच कर सके. ओके बेटा, कैन यू हेयर मी ऑल ऑफ यू? Sumaya, Shairoz,
Yes.
tell me in your chat
Yes,
box, beta.
miss.
Yes, miss.
Can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you so
Yes,
much.
miss.
All of you
Yes, miss.
can hear
Yes,
me?
miss. Clear.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So these are the some significances of ideology. Now one point is left, that after that we will inshallah do our assignment. Is it clear? So next one is the what are the content of ideology. So there are 4 contents of ideology, like common religion. If any group of people, any nation wants to achieve any type of objective, then they have these things, they have all these 4 points, same points within them. Is it clear? They have the common religion, they have common culture, they have common cause to get to achieve any objective, and they will be and they must be dedicated. Is it clear? So look at your book on page number 7. Look at your book, page number 7. So first content is common religion. Is it clear? So common religion is a binding force for a nation in the world. Nations in the world are distinctive on the basis of their religion. यानी कोई भी जो नेशन होती है वो अपने रिलीजन की वजह से एक स्पेशलिटी रखती है, सबसे प्रोमिनेंट होती है. सो इफ एनी नेशन wants to get any objective, so it might be possible that they had they had the common religion. And what was the example in the past? Anyone can tell me? Tell me in your chat box, beta.
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Miss, your voice is not clear.
मिस आवाज नहीं आ
Voice is
रही।
not coming.
मिस आवाज नहीं
Miss,
आ
your
रही।
Your
voice
voice
is
is
not coming. मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। हेलो।
My voice is clear?
Yes, Miss.
Oh,
Yes, miss.
okay. Okay, thank you so much. Can you hear me properly?
यस मिस अब आ रही
Yes,
है
miss.
सही से।
Yes,
सही
Miss.
आ रही है।
Okay, okay.
यस मिस।
बस बहुत है, ठीक है. Okay. So the content of ideology are the contents of ideology are four, as I told you, and these are the contents: common religion, common culture, common cause, and dedication. These are all present in your book. So I am telling you that in the past, when the Muslims of subcontinent wanted to get separate homeland, so they have the common religion. Is it clear? They have common religion. So next one is common culture. As I told you that when any nation wants to get any type of objective, and they have some goals, so it must be there common, they must be there the common, having common culture. उनकी जो रिवायात हैं, उनकी traditions हैं, these are all the same, these must be same. Is it clear? So they have the common culture. Is it clear? So if any nation have common culture, so that's at the base of common culture, common religion, they can get easily their objectives. Third one is common cause. So like the struggle of Pakistan, when the people of subcontinent, especially the Muslims, have the common cause, उन सब का आइडिया एक था, उनका कॉमन कॉज था, उनके पास एक ही रीजन थी, to get a separate homeland for the Muslims. Sumaya, what is the problem? Is it clear? So they have the idea of getting separate homelands. Then the last one is dedication. Is it clear? So the dedication of the people to some noble cause energize and enriches an ideology. एक ideology उस वक्त तक complete नहीं हो सकती when the people have the dedication to get their goals. Is it clear? So ये चार चीजें जो हैं ये बहुत जरूरी हैं: common religion, common culture, common cause, and dedication to get any type of goal, any to get achieve any objective. Same like this, the main example of our all these things are based on the ideology of Pakistan. So ये सारी चीजें वहाँ पे मौजूद थी उन लोगों में, and they struggled for the separate homeland, and they achieved the freedom, and they achieved the separate homeland for the Muslims. Is it clear? So these are the four most important contents of ideology which are based on any idea. Is it clear? So open your copies, beta. अगर हम अपना class work complete नहीं करेंगे तो I will give you it in next lecture. Is it clear? I will add these questions in the next class, and you have to maintain your indices in proper manner, and I will, when I will upload, yes, very good, when I will upload the home assignment, you can see all the subtitle and today's indices there. After my lecture you can prepare your indices. Now start writing the question. We have just 5 minutes, and I want to dictate you these two questions within 5 minutes. Very good, Ramla. Very good. Very good, all of you. Okay, be ready. So question, these are your short questions. So heading dijiye, yes, Sumaya, I can see your copy. Start writing. I'm going to try to complete at least one short question. And if we will not complete the second question, I will add it in the next class. ठीक है? So you have to you have to write the heading of short question. Is it clear? And when I will upload the home assignment, then you have to give the heading of long question or descriptive question number 1. Is it clear? So first question is, what is meant by ideology? यानी ideology का क्या मतलब है? जल्दी से question लिखिए, hand raise कीजिए. Raise your hands, बेटा. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Wait a minute, beta. Wait a minute. Beta, turn off your mics. Okay. Okay, the answer is the word ideology is French in origin. The word ideology is French in origin. The word ideology is French in origin. Full stop. It is made up of two components. It is made up of two components, namely idea and logy. Namely, idea and logy will be written in the inverted commas. Namely, idea and logy. Full stop. Ideology is a systematic body. Ideology is a systematic body of concepts, especially about life or culture. Ideology is a systematic body of concepts, especially about life or culture. Full stop. There are two sources of the formation of an ideology. Full stop. There are two sources of the formation of an ideology. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. सेकंड क्वेश्चन आई विल अपलोड इन माय नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. डोंट यू वरी. Okay, number 1. Have you written there are two sources of the formation of an ideology? 1 minute left, beta. Don't you worry about it. If you will not complete the question, short questions, no problem. You have to complete it in the next class, but you have to complete your descriptive question, which I will upload right after the lecture. So number 1, an ideology could be the product of the great and influential mind. An ideology could be the product of the great and influential minds. Number 2, an ideology could evolve